robots so advanced in technology that artificial intelligence seamlessly assists with nearly every aspect of our lives. Leading the way is Japan's android robot. Her smooth, lifelike movements and realistic skin make her so convincingly human that audiences often forget she's not real. Then there's Grace, a robot designed to care for the elderly, and Shy, a Chinese robot developed to provide wife-like companionship. We're discussing a robot for everything, even one that will assist you through the night. Robots becoming more human every day. Today's humanoid robots can do more than move. They can mimic expressions, gestures, and even emotions, making them nearly indistinguishable from real people. But why does this matter? Imagine robots transforming everything from healthcare to customer service. These machines could take on roles as caregivers, personal assistants, and even actors, performing at levels so high that audiences would struggle to believe they're not real. Pioneers like Hanson Robotics and Engineered Arts lead this frontier, creating highly lifelike robots like Sophia. Japan has developed a unique style, merging its technological advancements with cultural aesthetics. The robot android made her debut at Japan's prestigious 2024 Rangi event, leaving the audience in awe with her lifelike expressions and movements. Then there's Asuna, who resembles a young girl with remarkable attention to detail. Her soft skin, expressive eyes, and graceful movements make her appear nearly alive, embodying Japan's cultural values of beauty and precision. Other Japanese robots serve more functional roles, especially within their aging society. Toshiba's Iko Chihira communicates through sign language, making her invaluable for those with hearing impairments. Then there's Geminoid F, a robot modeled after a Japanese woman whose expressive facial movements make her hard to differentiate from an actual person. And for anime enthusiasts, there's Hatsuki, designed to look like a character straight from an anime show, with real-time facial expressions that captivate fans. These humanoid robots represent Japan's mastery of robotics, blending technological prowess with artistic vision. Robots like Geminoid F are not just showcases of Japan's engineering prowess, they're tools that can address societal needs. For instance, her ability to communicate with the deaf could be revolutionary for accessibility. Geminoid F's advanced expressions and emotional responses have implications for mental health support, providing companionship and empathy for those who might struggle with social isolation. Do you find these robots? Would you like to get your hands on one? Let us know in the comments. Robot Wife, Companions for Life. An AI robot as a perfect wife concept emphasizes a customizable, understanding partner that meets one's specific needs without the emotional complexities of human relationships. These robots can be programmed to manage household chores, handle scheduling, and provide companionship, responding empathetically and attentively. AI can adapt to an individual's preferences, from remembering favorite meals to being a consistent conversational partner. Unlike human dynamics, AI doesn't experience mood shifts, disagreements, or misunderstandings, offering unwavering support tailored to what the user seeks in a partner. In a world where human relationships can be complex and challenging, some robots are designed to help fill in the gaps. Mia by Real Doll, for instance, is a hyper-realistic robot that serves as a personal companion, especially popular among those dealing with isolation. Similarly, China's X-Doll Shy robot is a robot companion marketed for its companionship and empathetic design. It's a glimpse into the future of human-robot interaction, where robots are meant to provide emotional comfort. One of the most advanced robots in this category is Dunyasha, a Russian humanoid working as a cashier in a cybercafe. Dunyasha's lifelike features include over 600 micro-expressions, allowing her to react naturally to various social interactions. She can blink, smile, and even frown, making her capable of creating connections with the people she encounters daily. Her memory and artificial intelligence enable her to recognize returning customers, greet them by name, and even engage in lighthearted conversation. Dunyasha exemplifies how robots can add a personal touch to everyday interactions. In Japan, Grace represents another breakthrough. Programmed to care for the elderly, Grace provides companionship, emotional support, and even memory sharing services. She listens as older people recount their stories and memories, recording them so they can be passed down to family members. In a rapidly aging society, robots like Grace offer companionship for those who may otherwise feel disconnected from their families. It's a touching fusion of technology and empathy, capturing life's precious moments and memories. These robots reflect a shift in robotics. They're not just functional machines. They're designed to understand and interact with human emotions. In countries like Japan and Russia, robots like Dunyasha and Grace may soon become as common as household pets, cherished for their ability to connect emotionally with the people around them. Harmony is another innovative AI-driven robot from Realbotix, focused on offering a deeply engaging and responsive experience. She can converse, express emotions, and adapt her personality based on interactions with her user, allowing for a personalized companionship. Harmony's advanced AI capabilities ensure that she learns from her interactions, making her a potential partner who can meet both emotional and physical needs, blurring the lines between traditional companionship and robotic interaction. RealDoll is a pioneer in the sex doll industry, known for its highly customizable silicone dolls that can resemble real women. The introduction of Realbotix has elevated the experience by integrating AI technology, allowing these dolls to interact with users in meaningful ways. Customers can tailor their RealDoll's appearance and personality, while the AI capabilities enable the doll to engage in conversations and respond emotionally, offering a unique blend of companionship that fulfills both physical and emotional needs. Do you think these robots are more loyal than your girlfriend? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Stars on the stage, robots entering the arts and entertainment. Humanoid robots are not just entering our homes, they're hitting the stage, screen, and concert venues. Meet Maria Bot, inspired by the legendary robot from Metropolis. Maria Bot's creators didn't just aim for her to look human, they designed her to connect emotionally. She adapts her responses to convey empathy, simulating a deep understanding of human emotions. Another performer, Desdemona, is an AI-powered rock star who crafts her own music and poetry in real time, giving performances that feel fully human. Nain, a robot modeled after Professor Nadia Magnanat-Thulman, goes beyond appearances. Nain combines lifelike expressions with complex intellectual interactions, offering advice and guidance in fields like academia and healthcare. She's more than a performer. She's a mentor, showing the potential for robots to serve as teachers and guides. In China, Morning represents the next step in human-robot interaction. With silicone skin and a hydraulic system that allows it to walk at a human pace, Morning could work as a guide, companion, or even caregiver. Not only that, her facial mimicry and almost human-like vibe gives her a sensational look. Across the globe, the United States has launched the Simone Project, an affordable open-source robot developed to make advanced robotics accessible to more people. Inspired by Sophia, Simone's facial recognition and emotional processing capabilities make her a promising candidate for roles in education and beyond. With her servo motors are available in the market, and she's got silicone skin for a human-like sensual appearance. She can recognize faces and even process emotions. Let's just say she might be the one to give you company all night. These robots aren't limited to traditional roles, they're redefining creativity itself. Lyra, a Turkish humanoid actress, has starred in Turkish films and TV shows, leaving audiences questioning whether she's real or robotic. In South Korea, Ever is an opera-singing robot who connects with audiences through her emotionally expressive movements. And in Japan, Android T, modeled after the popular personality Tetsuko Kuroyanagi, has charmed fans with her ability to mirror human expressions and mannerisms. As robots enter the arts, they push us to reconsider the boundaries of originality and authenticity. In an industry built on emotional connection, humanoid robots offer a fascinating paradox. They're artificial beings capable of evoking real emotions. These robots aren't merely tools, they're breaking barriers in the entertainment world, forcing us to ask, can they truly be creative, or are they simply performing in ways that mimic human creativity? Robots as hosts and helpers, transforming hospitality and human interaction. Humanoid robots are setting new standards in the hospitality industry, particularly in Japan, where culture and technology intertwine. Japan's Robot Cafe is a remarkable example. When you walk in, anime-inspired robots with expressive faces and smooth movements greet you, take your orders, and even chat with you about your favorite anime characters. These robots bring a unique flavor to the cafe, blending Japan's love for anime with its technological prowess. At Beijing hotels, robot concierges, robotic porters, and even a dinosaur concierge assist guests. These robots handle everything from greeting visitors to helping with luggage, providing a quirky yet highly efficient experience. In China, Jia goes beyond typical robot roles, serving as a hotel concierge who communicates fluently in Mandarin or English, offering dining recommendations and local tips. Educational institutions are also exploring the potential of humanoid robots. In the United States, Bina lectures on introductory ethics at the University of Notre Dame. With the ability to interact with over 100 students, Bina represents America's practical approach to educational robotics. Another American development is ZXY, an AI-driven robot by Dr. Sam Koss. ZEXY has advanced facial recognition and emotional detection abilities, allowing her to adjust her responses based on subtle cues. Her unique design makes her especially valuable in roles requiring high emotional intelligence. One of the most advanced examples of empathetic AI is Quo from Reina series, introduced at the 2024 World Artificial Intelligence Conference. Quo can do more than recognize emotions, she actively stimulates them. Her hyper-realistic expressions, coupled with a memory bank of emotional responses, allow her to engage in interactions that feel genuinely compassionate. With Quo, artificial empathy is no longer a dream, it's a reality. These robots are more than mere novelties. They're setting new standards in hospitality, education, and personal support. Each robot reflects the values of its culture, from Japan's politeness to China's attentiveness, and America's emphasis on innovation. By offering culturally attuned services, robots like Jia and Bina are redefining what it means to provide human-like care. Today's exploration into humanoid robots reveals a fascinating intersection between human empathy and machine intelligence. We've seen robots like Japan's Android and Grace, who provide companionship and care, and China's Guanghan No.1, designed to help people feel less alone. We've seen robots redefining the arts like Desdemona and Ever, as they perform music, act, and connect with audiences in ways that challenge the idea of creativity itself. Robots can be taking over the world as we grow older. Even in the media, did you know Whitney Cummings created a lifelike robot version of herself, known as Bear Claw, for her 2019 Netflix special, Can I Touch It? The robot was made to resemble her closely, capturing both her appearance and voice, and it was designed as part of Cummings' exploration of relationships, gender, and the way technology is impacting human connection. She humorously brought up the idea of the robot in various scenarios, including relationships and intimacy, often using Bear Claw as a comedic prop to discuss how humans interact with technology and companionship, rather than seriously advocating it as a substitute in relationships. The robot sparked conversations around AI's potential in intimate settings, with Whitney using Bear Claw primarily as a satirical tool to reflect modern anxieties around AI replacing human interaction, even in personal aspects of life. By presenting a robot version of herself, she aimed to challenge and humorously critique the way some people might consider using such technology to fill relational voids or manage intimacy in unconventional ways. As these robots grow increasingly sophisticated, they're not just helping us work or stay entertained, they're transforming our lives. With each new development, humanoid robots become a little more human, challenging us to reconsider what it means to form connections in a high-tech world. So, what do you think? Could robots one day replace human companionship, or will they evolve to serve us in ways we haven't yet imagined? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe as we continue exploring this remarkable future.